Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Integration by parts helps us solve this improper integral quickly. We will evaluate the limit step by step to find the correct answer from the list. Start by using integration by parts. Let u equal x and dv equal e to the negative x. Now, evaluate the definite integral from 1 to b, then take the limit as b approaches infinity. This turns our expression into a limit of a function of b plus constant. As b goes to infinity, the exponential growth in the denominator forces the first term to 0. We are left with 2 over e, which matches our final answer. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore the sign or miss infinity. Always use parts and apply the limit correctly.